Welcome back. What we want to do now is we want to add in a new funnel step, and we want that funnel step to be the download page. And this is going to be the download page for our opt-in giveaway. And we're going to click Create Funnel Step. And we're going to turn this into a thank you page. And we're going to choose one of the download pages. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click this template. You'll notice then that ClickFunnels calls this a thank you page inside of this funnel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit this page because this is the page that we want to be delivered in the autoresponder. So we're then going to click Edit Page. We don't want this page to be shared, so we're going to delete the social action. We're going to click Save. And we're going to resave the page. And we're going to click Save. What we need to do now is we need to set the URL for our report to be downloaded. So we're going to click the Settings button. And what we need to do is we need to set a specific action. Now in this case, what we want to happen is we want the individual to go to another URL. And so what we want to do is we want to put that URL in with the downloadable PDF. But note, we could send them to the next step in the funnel. We could have them scroll. We could hide their action. We are going to then save this and save again. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back out to the editing screen. And now we're going to take this URL and we're going to deliver this URL in our email because that's the URL where the individual is going to click, then they're going to get this URL, and then they're going to download their report. Now what we want to do is inside of our autoresponder, when the individual confirms, we want to send them to our sales page. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create the next step in our funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.